Good morning, good afternoon. Yeah. Chief Eze, good morning, my king, my chief, respect. Chief Eze, all the way from Iceland, respect. Thank you, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Hey, Bobby Jojo, where you now? I sight you from afar. Good morning, happy Sunday, happy Sunday, happy Sunday, happy Sunday. Please just share this video, share this video, share this video. This video is a message. It's a message that God sent me to tell our youth aspirant this morning, and I have to drop it the way it is, though that's the message. So please just hurry up, share this video and stay tuned. Good morning, good afternoon, Chief Eze, respect. Chief Eze, I'll call you later. I'll call you later for sure if I don't finish this video. Thank you very much, my brothers and sisters, all the humble and able, solid Nigeria youth in the world. Thank you not too much. I thank you not too much, and I thank you very much. God bless you. Please just share this video a little bit because I just short message, and also I know today get time to waste on my video. So okay, I'll call you Baba. Respect. Are we ready to go? If you are ready, let's go. I just need like 3, 4, 5 share. Just make 3 share, more go. Just share 3, more go. Just call your friends, come this Sunday night. Sunday be this now. Nobody they work now. More just rush on. Just share and then you just need 3 people to share. Make we go. Just 3 people to share. We go, please. Let's just invite our brothers sometimes, Some people say I today already say if I come like I know they wait when people come. I'll just talk but at least if I finish now, you'll still play and back later in the day now. And I saw it they be. You understand? Because me I not really to get time because they do video like 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. No. Just go to straight to the message, We'll be the thing. This like they come this late, I don't like them like this at all. Maybe I manage on like this. My brothers and sisters, I beg you in the name of God. If you know, say you find betterment of Nigeria. So this message is to every youth aspirant that running for president 2019. So I beg. There is no how, no time for time out, no time to wait again. I beg. All the youth aspirants when they run for president, if you know, say you are not running for yourself interest, I beg. If you know you are doing this not for your self interest for the interest of Nigerians that you are pity for, that we they pity for, maybe so una see say the passion of una say una fit dey shop well. All the presidential youth aspirants, they fit dey shop well, they fit dey live their life normal. If they don't want fight for this race, they go fit live their life without or with president. You understand? Because by now all of them get their own stand, they get their own way where they give them their own feeding. You understand? But now out of pittiness wey una get for us, now una say no. Other men say I dey comfortable, make I comot for my zone, for my comfortable zone, to come out to rescue the rest people. Because they say who not get power, they fight for who get power. And who get power, they fight for who not get power. So I beg for that pity, wanna pity us. Wanna know say man, all these old men no go fit take us anywhere. All these old men no fit do us anything. Now make una pity us, wanna come up for it in our comfort zone, wanna cause una want to rescue this country from us. I beg. If you know say you know they do this thing for your own personal interest, please, let's join hands together. Let's join hands together. All the presidential aspirants. I tell you, if each person go for this mission 2019, my brothers and sisters, all of una go turn to laughing stone. You understand? Because of una, if una not join hands together, all the presidential aspirants, Kingsley Moghalu, Fela Adurotoye, Mercy, Mommy Red Card, all of una election warrior, everybody, you guys must look for a space now and join your heads together, because without doing that, we are going nowhere. We are still going to remain in the same hands of this evil, the same hands of this PDP and APC who have been killing us since then. So now that's the same thing. Now we want to go end up 2019, and I dey fear that part. Personally, me, I dey fear that part. I dey fear that part of going back to PDP and APC. They fear me for art every day when I think. You understand? say I can't wake up in the morning, I can't surprise say that PDP call the rule us again. May go fear me. You understand? Or I can't reason and say man, APCC they rule us again. Go fear me. So I beg all the youth where they come out for president. If you know say not be una interest, say una want to fight for us. May una join us together to fight this fight for us. Because if I say make all of una go 1-1 like that, none of una will get 20 votes at the end of the day. But if we join us together, we will get this thing what they call massive vote so that we will take pursue this man back to Daura. Atiku no even get where he did. Atiku na prison, now he will pursue Atiku they go. You understand? Please, all the youth aspirant, if you know say you know they do this thing for your own interest, because now me don't they suspect a lot of una say maybe you know they do it for your interest. Because if not be your own interest, say that the interest of say that humanitarian interest to the Nigerian people, now you have to come and so now one call help us, rescue us from this shackle of evil, this team criminal pocket, you know. So Mona try, Mona see use that mind, say me since after all I win, I don't win, I don't get what I want gain. So now, make we join us together, make we try, make we collect this position of presidency to the youth. The youth are seriously needing this youth aspirant to win, but their power, individual power cannot take it to anywhere. Please, if you are supporting any one of them, try to talk to them right now before the end of this month. They have to join us together before we start any other thing, because the election is very, very close. Very, very close. I beg, before the end of this month, make all the youth aspirants, before the end of this December, make them try, make them join us together, make them get good coalition, because na play, dance all they come up for street to. Na play, the thing don't they go close. Na play. Na so we just see you on one day, February 14, February 16 go come, it go pass, we go still go back to our old vomit. You understand? We'll still go back to our old vomit. So I don't know how we want to tell una, or what we want to tell una, make una try, make una join us together as a presidential aspirant. We be say man, he really not get interest for himself. Because the time when I begin to drag on ourselves like this, we be saying not be joins together, we call it get, I call it get feeling. Say, I mean these people get what they pursue, he get what they want to do if they enter there. Because they really want to do the journey job. All of them get the same manifesto. All of them get the same ambition. All of them get the same vision and victory. All of them, they are strong, agile, well-thinking people. So when those well-thinking, agile, strong people join together, think how to take this country, man, it will be very, very easy for us. Please, Nigeria youth, anyone you are supporting out of this youth aspirant, please just beg them to come together, to join their heads together. We need a coalition of this youth to beat the already established coalition of criminals and frustration, corruption people. So we need a strong youth coalition to beat this already established criminal and corrupt people. Please, all the youth aspirants, please, if you know say you know they fight for your interest, please try to look for a space and join us together, because this mission is very, very serious. And hopefully, if anybody, may I just tell you, if anybody they support any of these youth aspirants, if you don't want support for failure, if you don't want get failure, it's our time we try to try now, maybe we join them together. Listen, anybody cannot take this power by itself. Thank you very much, bro. I see you. I mistakenly call yours now, bro. Thank you very much. See, I just tell you now, so anybody where they support even you are more election warrior, as a more election warrior, don't shake that car. So I tell you the truth. If you leave out for only one, you not go win one state. I tell you the truth. If you leave out for only one, say man, we are not gonna join together. Maybe we all just have the same force. Small we don't gather, we will just have to push these people come up for there. My brothers and sisters, all those our fellow AAC member, my brothers and sisters, if we live on like that, we will not take any states. We will not even take any local government. Without saying we will not join together. So that's why I beg Omoye Election Warrior with this video as a supporter of Omoye Election Warrior. So that make me come out this morning, make I beg as a supporter of Omoye Election Warrior when he need the real winning for Omoye Election Warrior. When he needs say me yes, Omoye Election Warrior, I get hope on Omoye Election Warrior say he go fit take us to another level. To not be another level, he go fit take us to new site. Because now we depart from old Nigeria, they go new site. So me, I believe say Omoye Election Warrior go fit take us from that new old site to our new permanent site. But brothers and sisters, if you get anybody where they believe inside this youth, I beg, try do this kind of video. Tell and say, bros, I beg, make una join hands together. You understand? So Omoyele Sowore, this is my advice to you, bro. As a your loyalties, as your person wey be say man, if they believe say man, yes, now you be the driver wey go fit drive that car. You understand? To the place where I want make the car go, where the car for take drop us successfully. So I dey try bring you in. I'm not sure say my network this strong like that, but I dey try bring you in. We'll see if it go fit work. But my network not this strong. I make on the comment they skip anyhow. So I beg, as a supporter, when I be to you, bros, I tell you I beg. If any chance they, anyway they won't want to talk together now. Now I don't get to a party. Everybody don't get a party. Everybody don't get assist. They don't get a deputy. So right now we don't know say yes. Everybody don't ready. They don't solid. Now we dey expect that thing where they call parts. Where they want to go partner they said before. Now we dey expect parts. Now we be say everybody don't get this thing now. Now we dey expect part now. You understand? So I beg, make we try, make we part. I beg, make we part together. So I beg, make we try, make we do that part right now. Now we need that now. I beg, my presidential aspirant, Omoyele Sowore, President Obi 2019. Please, we need the help of everybody. We need the help of everybody to conquer these people. You understand? Please, I want you all to know, if you are a youth, you are running for president of Nigeria, please just have it in the back of your mind. You can't do it alone. It's impossible. So it's that time we have to join us together and move a mountain. You understand? So thank you all. Share this video. Send it to Omoyele Sowore. Say one of his supporters say, I beg, make it find out want to make youth coalition. Or else Omoyele Sowore get standard coalition where we say, yeah, the old youth, the old street dog coalition with Omoyele Sowore. But we still need more forces from this youth aspirants so that we will join us together. Because now small time I don't begin to laugh us. Say they want to collect power. My network. And my mind they tell me say this is my network. Yeah, I be they campaign for Buhari. I mean they campaign for Atiku. Make the country better. Who you dey campaign for? Who you want support? Make it better. Who you dey call your people? You don't call your people one day make them vote for person. Who you want make your people vote for?
I follow you. Now you I follow. Anyone you say good, I follow you.
No man, yeah, that's why yeah.
I know, right. But it's not the way you talk. You focus on offices.
No, I just enter. 20 minutes I want to spend. Get person I want to bring in, make I go. So I beg my brothers and sisters, I beg. I just beg una beg. Make una tell anybody who na dey support. Hey, bro.
How far now are you there?
I dey where you leave me now. Not because I leave Nigeria still dey. We still dey there.
No, it go better. It don't better.
Go better than poor man prayer.
No, it don't better.
It don't better, okay.
It don't better.
So, bro,
you see my picture with Omoyele Sowore, Abi?
Yes.
Now, person where I meet personally, if you see that man, he dey too genuine, 100% genuinity dey inside them. You understand? So yeah. we would the diaspora, we don't try our own best, and we go still try more to they call our family for back home, make them they vote for them. You understand? So it remains for people who did that place. You understand?
I remember governor like this.
No, you resemble this guy. Wait, make
I tell you. Resemble like this. Not tell me the one with the tip money.
Now the one with the tip money, I remember.
No governor where I go resemble for Nigeria. Sorry, never did.
Now the one with the tip money, I remember because all of them they tip money.
So no one when I go be resemble.
The one where you resemble now, you never resemble the one where you know the tip money. Now all of them they tip money.
Better. So I never get better, but if I will come back.
My brother, you know, see, what did they call her? This Dele Milawo, I mean, stupid Milawo, they call him. I mean, what did they call that guy?
Milaye. Do you know Milaye?
Milaye.
No, but they don't change his name now. Wilderness man. Now he be king of wilderness.
That guy na drama king. Na drama king. I watched the video yesterday. I see na useless human being. Upon all his mouth. Na so he be. Na so he dey weak.
Dino.
Dino.
Senator Dino Melaye, now they talk.
And now they talk of, yeah.
Senator Dino Melaye na oracle na oracle be for our government there now. They consult am. Idiots. Leave her. We know they talk about that one this morning. Bros, wetin make us come this morning be say, I just really get one feeling. You understand? Because yesterday, while my sister, I sight you from above, real person. So, bros, wetin make me really come out this morning be say, I want to make we try, make we beg our anybody wey we dey support, make this youth, make they join us together. Because without this youth joining us together, they not fit go anywhere.
Not true.
Understand?
Not true.
They not fit go anywhere. See, make I tell you when I be Omoyele Sowore supporter before he become a president aspirant. I don't support her from Salah TV. They come. I don't follow her up. You understand? I know her for days, for years. You understand? I know say yes. He capable and able to take us to the next level. Then what if they beg now? Because like Frederick make one constitutional election last time. So that election, Omoyele win that election flat. That is to show say we were the aspirant, we support them. So I beg, make we use this medium, till they tell the rest people say, time don't reach, we'll go take joy us together. So my lovely sister, I see you from above. God bless you, my sister. So I beg, make we try if they see the reach of more election word. Anybody, anyone the aspirant, make we just try, make we beg them before the end of this month. Make they get solid coalition where go shake the foundation.
See, my brother, now beg, we dey beg. You understand? We dey beg them. But it don't reach time we say we where we dey diaspora. We go tell them, we go impose them on them. Not be say we dey force them. You understand? If they want, because they say, Yoruba they talk one thing, say, Irorun gini, Irorun eye. You understand? If it dey alright for them, it go dey alright for us where we dey diaspora. Because we say they struggle. You understand? But anybody we get pikin, we get family for diaspora, man, then they police say they don't plant money tree for that place. But they don't know the thing where they go through as well. And that's why we they impose, we say we they force them, we go force them, we go impose that to them. Because the first time when I go tell my papa about Omoyele Sowore, he say, now Buhari won't vote for. I say, forget that, you know. If you say now Buhari, me, I no go pick your call again. You be my papa. Oh. He come tell me say, come, wait, before I come out, go America where I dey. Wait till he tell me, make I know they follow people argue about this. I say politics, family affair, and money and religion. He say, why me I can't follow and argue about religion? I say, me I go argue about religion because I don't dey hope and they see what they happen for down.
Correct. Now you know.
So as I they see what they happen for down, so this person would they follow when I talk say mona vote so. Buhari no get life. Buhari na lifeless human being. And the way you they take see and say, if I say,
Jubrin a lifeless human being. You bring that Jubrin got the rule us. Now Jubrin, I did there.
I don't even understand that matter when they talk say the man don't die, saying another person can't do there. So I don't feel understand.
Okay, that one they never bet one. Where they are do one there, they not either.
Not true.
Where they are do one there, they not either. So nothing where they will do, where they will go treat us again. All we do, we all they wait down like that 219. Maybe we chase them, maybe we chase the Jubrin. Maybe if that one come hand over, that they give Omoyele Sowore. Omoyele Sowore gonna say, no, this will not be Buhari. You know, because they do that. Because he must hand over, give Omoyele Sowore. Don't want that sure. So we must cash out right down there. You understand? So maybe we all patient, maybe we not come because of that one cause war. Maybe we all wait, maybe the Jubrin carry on. He must hand over now.
So now I use this opportunity to tell most of my friends where they on my list. Oh, you understand? If you no vote for Omoyele Sowore, count me out of your friend. Take me out of your friend because I know they force people me then they be my friend. You understand? If you dare my friend, you don't support what I support. Now you say you be my enemy. You understand? Because now for better Nigeria, all of us they look for. Now for people where they suffer for Nigeria, now all of us they look say make everything day better for now. So if you are my friend now, I they challenge you, say make you try. Tell family, tell friends, tell enemy, tell everybody, say make una vote for Omoyele Sowore. Because now the young people will go feed drum be that. Now the young arch woman will go feed drum. See in vice president now Dr. EB. You understand? So health go dey alright for that.
Dr.
Now doctor and a very intelligent man because if you watch waiting then go
to
man, that guy is too talented. That guy is too talented.
That guy speak one English, dictionary Allah. Where can we find the meaning?
Exactly. So imagine the useless senators who will get. We don't even get country. We don't get anything. My brother, and now we won't get country. Anybody where they follow us, where they follow me, where they watch me and this my brother, where they talk now. I beg you now. Now beg we they beg. More now vote for Omoyele. Just try. Vote for change for one time. Change for not to say because we don't date abroad or we don't date this thing. We don't know what they happen for grant. We they see everything where they happen for grant every day of our life.
Bros. Personally, I dey tell una wey dey Nigeria, I dey talk am because I dey abroad, I dey see life pass una. Even though you get trillion for inside that Nigeria, I still better pass you, even though I no get 1 naira for Europe here. Because not be money be life. Life na very sensible thing wey be say, man, everything wey dey fit get easily. If you go hospital easily, na be life. You fit drive car easily, na be life. If you move from A to B easily, na be life. If you sleep well, think well, na be life. And those life not in Nigeria. They're waiting that they, even though you get trillion, you forge am by yourself. You only forge am for your compound. You don't forge am for outside your compound.
Not true.
So there is no. I'm talking to them because I am in Europe. I am seeing difference between June and July. So I must tell you the truth.
That's true.
So if you feel intimidated, say because this guy in Europe, my brother, it's they bomb me. Since they bomb me, even primary one, from primary one, now I begin also for myself. So you don't get waiting person want tell me say person nobody for this earth. If you come and say come where you, I need rescue you, or I need carry you come abroad. You dey crazy? How? Or now you pay my. If you say that you pay my, now you pay my primary one reader. Come out. And I'm part of the talk out. So all those things, I wait till we don't pass through for life. That because the best. You understand?
Imagine.
You say I dey Europe, now me dey intimidate my brother. That kind of life why they live for Europe now, what car they can give you. So if you not be a embrace na your luck this time around. Because we just they gossip you now, or just they say man, people they show now for Facebook, saying that's how we get God, or that's how we get this. No, when they come and read, they clear you the real fact of say, see the way government they work, see the way the OT they go. Because this government, so may I tell you, may I just tell you, if you they watch me, no matter how you want to do orphanage reach, no matter how you want to do operation feed the nation reach, without the intervention of government, your country will not go nowhere.
At all.
And if you are running for politics, you are in Nigeria, mostly you are in Nigeria, you are running for politics, but you are not running for your destiny.
That's so.
Because if you don't go to politics, politics is always with you. Politics is what you breathe, politics is what you eat, politics is what take you from A to B, politics is where you get your education. So politics is inside you. So if you are in Nigeria, you are still trying to say, oh man, you not consign me. You know, my brother, you are just denying your destiny by yourself. So there's no two ways about that.
Exactly. No, I see a lot of changes in life this time around because say people will collect this thing, we won't vote nowadays. You understand? Them plenty past people where they can't say then they vote for Nigeria before. Because it go dey transparency because we go see what thing we they talk about, you understand? But now we go still need to dey plead for them. You understand? If them bring money come for Mona take am. Now on our right on they take, but Mona use on our sense, on our common sense, they say, now this person I won't vote for. No matter how much they pay una, those people will pay una money, they follow una go that place una they go vote from.
See, those people will give una that money. This one are my advice. I bet bro, not bad. If they give una money, Mona not take am. Because that money when they give them so bros, it was say that even pure money, me myself, I for say me they take am. Not be pure money. The money that they use and go do ritual before they come give them.
Not true.
So I beg, make una not collect their ritual money. I beg, forget. Make we just get patient for this 1 year hungry, for this last minute hungry. You understand, bros? Because that money, really, if they genuinely money say they're not the carry and go meet others at Babalawo and so on and so forth, I will collect. You understand? But since you don't, they don't do it in evil way. If you collect that money now, you go see and say after the election you go lose your job.
Not true.
If you collect that money now, after the election things go begin rough for you.
Struggle
if you
continue.
Collect that money now, your pikin must sick after election.
Struggle continue.
So I beg my people, that money, the weak, the way they put the weak way they weak our brain. Inside that money they put am. Una not collect am. Una fuck their money. We go collect the money back from them. Now our money now. If we come power, we go collect am back from them.
Not true.
The money not be their own. The money they just put and give back for them. Make them say back. If we come power, we go collect the money, give back to una free without una no sweat. Without saying you should not touch am.
So and another thing where I want to tell them, they say, Mokuna imagine say that they pay 18,000 naira per month. You understand? Now whether they pay una 18,000 naira per month, how una won't take struggle, survive. The thing they affect us what we did diaspora as well. And now where person will give on 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira no reach you. It never reach anything for ourselves. But we will start with that 100,000 naira first. As soon as we started with that 100,000 naira to they pay una, everything go day easy for now. Now go feel live better life. Now no go even come this day.
See, bros. Only that one, let me have more election will get problem. Edo State will not they take 100,000 too small for Edo State. You want to do punch in, punch out, work per hours, and every hour must be lower than €3 per 1 hour.
My brother, I understand you, but move start from somewhere first because they don't scatter around.
You can't start this thing, bros. It's just punch in, punch out, work per hours. Let's start. We need a good foundation for the country. You understand? Not be this time they talk of. We don't hear when they talk of monthly wage for any Euro country where you don't go. We are talking of digital world. Want to stop ghost workers. You understand? If you want to stop ghost workers, is that the only digital way? You have to put a punching machine. You punch in, you punch out. Any hours you work, at the end of the month, you see your payslip. Your payslip will give it to you. They will take your tax, your social insurance, anything you have left, they give to you. That's how let's go.
That's
I did not know by waiting for queue to get salary. I never know whether be because they wait for queue, get salary. I don't know. Or Shego Ari, they will come out. I pay my tax. You pay your tax. Let's see they do that one again.
No.
Push in, push out. Push in, push out.
I support you with that one. See, they use this media, they challenge all Nigerian artists and actresses. You understand? Mukuna give una voice out. Mukuna think about the people where they suffer. Mukuna think about una supporter where they support una. Then say Two-Face passed through Ghana International Airport. They show the video. You understand? But Two-Face, don't be saying, you know they watch internet, you know they see what they happen, you know they see what in Omoyele show whatever they do. Try, use your media, support this guy. Make we know what they happen. Not be people where they give una money, now una go they support they sing for. And somebody like Davido, I believe say you get woman feeling as well. Whiskey, una get woman feeling as well. Mona try. Use una power, because there's power in your voice. Because people listen to you guys. People listen to your music. People follow you guys. Mona just try for a change of one time. You understand? Because una they fear because of say una don't get that money. Mona no bill say because una don't get money. Nobody will no one get money like una. So fairness no be something where would they see, where would they say, would they enjoy. Mona try use that in our media, support this guy for one time. Not be people when they go against the country or they go against the government like Idris. Now you go call the support them like Femi, like these guys, China. Now you go support them. More all of us support them together. More will support this guy. Make this guy enter that place. More will see the better Nigeria.
But bros, before we go join us together and support them, make the youth aspirant, all those places where they buy for this post of president, make them support themselves by joining together, brother.
It dey hard for them. It dey hard for them.
If it dey hard, now you tell you one truth about me, see, I'm the realistic person. Understand? If it dey hard for them to join together, which is they have their own personal interest.
Now the thing be that you just see that result. They have their own personal interest. Instead of they are working on that, they are working for somebody, or they are working for Atiku just to disorganize what they happen. They are working for instead of they are working for Buhari.
I get some information lately. Say some of these youth aspirants are working for all this already established company of criminals and corruption.
Exactly.
So, but the thing is this. I believe in talking to somebody to change somebody's mind. I believe in it too much. I do it a lot. You know, if I want to track you, change your mind. I know how to change your mind. Understand?
That's
Because if you want to change person's mind, you need to change your mind with realistic things. Where go they see black and white, and they move person's mind past.
Exactly.
Understand? So this thing is not easy thing. Before they start this race, they say they want to do part. You know? Okay, now the part it goes wrong because why? We were waiting for this time when everybody go get candidate, when everybody go get nomination for his party, then they'll call parts together, join us together. So right now, I try to remember them now, say this is the time we need that part now. Because everybody don't get your political position now. Everybody don't get your political go ahead to run for president. So everybody now got to know, say, man, the individual not they win anything. So if they tell me now, say, they'll not be joining us together. Because actually, let's go down. Let me just break it down to them. Only person where we they know now where they match the ground now. Now literally party in Nigeria now where they reign now. APC,
AAC and PDP. Yeah, exactly.
And AAC is the last party out of those two parties. And for AAC to grow fast with them like that, all those people go, the rest aspirants go know, say, yes, this guy don't try. And that's exactly. And let me tell you, if you are watching me here, you are looking for somebody to drive that car of that Nigeria to the right place. That car, very strong steering, IP. And that car, you know, it needs strong driver.
Yeah.
And that driver, I think for more electoral whatever, let me they support him. You understand? Because Nigeria not the right person when you understand economic of the farm or economic of the PBN. We are looking for person who understand our economic. The easy, very simple economic to the people. So Omoyele election will get everything. We need somebody who go be attack that cabal. All those cabal. If all those cabal do for Kisle Mogalo like this for 1 minute for that pit,
you don't run. You don't run. See this. All those cabal come wear glass. They come bend their glass. Look at like this for that seat. My brother, you go know wetin be fire for that seat. You don't run.
Understand? So, bros, my people, we need to support Omoyele Sowore to grab these people down.
It will happen.
And they talk of Omoyele Sowore not because say this time, and they talk of person where if fight where Babangida must go, where would they do Babangida must go? Where are these people where they contest? So in natural sense.
Exactly.
When would they do Abacha coffee? Where are these people where they contest now at there?
Exactly.
No, the question of MKO Abiola election. Even when student union did not support Abiola to become a president, after they collected that mandate from him by Babangida, Omoyele Sowore was still outside to say even I didn't support, but as far as Nigerian people vote in, you must be mandate.
Remind them, tell them.
This guy fighting. This guy, listen. Nigeria 38 years of condemnation. People, a group of people, not one person, a group of people condemn Nigeria now for 58 years. There is one person. One person is coming out to fight for what is right for 30 years. So we have to know that man cannot change because he sacrificed a lot. If you want to change, you went to America, man. You need to relax. You're in America. You know what's up there. If you don't want to talk about Nigerian condition there in America, you will live good. Your family will be okay.
Exactly.
Like me, if I don't want to talk about Nigerian politics, believe me, take it or you leave it. I don't have anything to lose in that country. I don't have anything to gain in that country.
Exactly.
That country never benefited me. I never benefited from that country 1 second.
Exactly.
They never bomb me for hospital. No, say hospital now I was start and I still never bomb me.
They enjoy it now, so.
Nothing where I don't gain. School and now our time, now they increase school fees from 300 naira to 850. Now we do that protest that year.
Now so.
Then I don't do enter GSS3.
Imagine.
About 300 to 850.
Imagine.
Even after me when they do conductor, after I don't finish for school, I still go do conductor. They go pay my school fees. They still increase that kind of thing for our head.
Imagine. And
so
then they look. Then they look us like saying our tout we be. They don't know saying our struggle with the struggle. Not be you where do conductor now. You dey Europe so. People who know they do conductor, where they read, where they do everything. Then they there. They see the struggle. You understand? See, this thing where you pump out now, as in your own mind, now you pump out for them. So, you understand? Me, I dey pump out my own mind because I still believe in that Nigeria and I still have faith in that country where we dey. So, you understand? So, anybody where they watch us now, I beg you, Mokuna vote for Omoyele Sowore. Mokuna vote for Omoyele Sowore because we they see what they happen for that country. If you now see my picture with her, you understand? I meet her one-on-one because I believe the man they too genuine. I live waiting that they do. For the hospital where they work, I'm a medical assistant. I leave everything where they do. Go meet them one-on-one. I don't ask them questions. I just tell them, say, I believe in you. I don't even talk too much. I say, I have faith in you. And I believe you're going to make Nigeria great. That is the only thing I tell him. Then we took picture together. He's a very, very genuine person. Very simple-minded human being. The man that have feeling for other people. He has experienced what is going on in outside the country. He has known what is going on in America. All those our country, government owner, they say all these politicians, like Sharaki, all of them, they don't get human feeling. They don't get anything. They don't get art for anybody.
Even the matter, even the people where they Nigeria, bros. I will tell you lie. Don't be tell you lie. I never call people from Nigeria. Don't be say my family or people or different people. Like I never even know them. I just say I better look for your friend number. Give me. I never call people. I don't call like that kind. Maybe me, I know your joke. Maybe that kind of 3,000 people.
Not so. And God bless you for that.
Maybe you don't pass. Because me, I don't feel stay full day like this. I don't feel call like 20 to 30 people. Where I know people fair no. I people call my brother and say, come, give me some of your friends' number.
Not so.
And you get one of my guy where they Benin now. He go do burial. That guy not feel day with people. He don't call me. I better talk to them about this party. You know, talk to them about this party. Sometimes I say like this, the guy go to New Benin market. He call me one day for New Benin market. Say I take with women for year. I better talk to them about this party.
Imagine. That's so.
So for them to see all those moves where they move, they know say we don't wake up.
That's so. Our mood don't do.
I would want to go back to bed to go sleep again. Of which they don't fail.
That's
we
so.
wake up, we watch our eye.
That's so.
That's so. So person like me, if I carry bomb that country, I swear, nothing where they give me, nothing where I go regret.
Not so.
Because I imagine now, bro, may I tell you now, not lie, Nigeria, they don't give me anything, I don't get nothing from there. Even come up from Primary 1, so I finish up Primary 1 for Olia Primary School. I'll go inside Olia Market, go to sell rubber bag. From there, I'll go into Primary 2, go to sell Maggi, go to sell bread for go slow, go to sell cold water after school, go to do many things. To just support the school, make the school can go. At the end of the day, power week, the boy drop for school because the don't tire the boy now.
Imagine.
Okay, I don't be drop, say I can't see the nuisance for street. Let me try my best. Because it be where I did, so I can't see and so boy. Not be papa they take care of pikin for Europe, not be mama, na government. Na government that they take care of pikin. Now they can vex me say what's the level? If your pikin don't go school for Europe here, they'll go arrest you.
Now him now.
He don't go school. On Monday I don't go school. On Tuesday, I can't get appointment, I don't go school. On Wednesday, I purposely not your go because go call day. I don't call relax. I surprised say man, on Thursday, they tap my door. What's up? What did they happen? Why you don't go school this week?
Now people will care about
you. You bring the proof of say you sick.
Now so. They want to
lie. We all do. They all tap my doors. Hey, Abba, not see you for school this week. What did happen? I have to bring the proof. Say I dey sick. Oh, one or two things I get appointment. I do this. But for Nigeria, if your teacher not even see you for school, not go even know. If your teacher not go even come school, even the principal not go even know say your teacher not come school.
Wetin concern you, my brother? Nothing concern. Now people will get your info.
When I reach Europe, I come say I say that government that's supposed to take care of me. Government that's supposed to take care of me. Not be my papa just dey don born. They go do it best. The government get 80% to take care of me. They say.
How our papa won't take care of us when government don't take care of our papa?
First way they receive 30,000 naira now when they drag salary to 30,000 naira. First way they receive 30,000 naira now. I think they talk so. If you they pay 230,000 for school fees, it 10. What's up? I want to do one wish.
30,000 naira we no reach $80. Imagine for the whole family to feed under that.
Only last night. 30,000 naira. May I tell you now? Now we in Nigeria. 30,000 naira. Now we take the do suya. One shop do suya. Real suya, one shop real suya, bro. Yesterday, now only money will take shop meat. He passed down 30,000 when I go work all the whole night. Even when we don't even get work for Europe, even though we never even, that's why they go. But I think they live 100% bam than everything.
If you feel remember the last conversation with me and you get say I get organization where they go do for Nigeria. Anytime where I go Nigeria, you understand? And they try feed like 100 widows, you understand? So I won't give you 1 point where I do because I they buy like half bag of rice they give the widows, you understand? I just say the woman where they sell the rice, make she carry me go show like 1 or 2 widow which you know. The third widow where I go meet for house, you understand? As I just carry the bag of rice, give that woman. If you see the way this woman take hold me, fear come hold me come the share tears. Like say I don't give, like say I don't give them waiting God never give them for their life before. Say now Nigeria will not suppose to live this kind of life. Now we'll try think about what they happen now because these people they don't get the money, then they believe say they know they suffer. But some people they suffer, some people they go through many things for that country where we don't even know about. And all of them now one they believe say money ritual, no they there anyway. If you work hard, might be the number 1 money ritual for life. If you work hard, you save money, might be number 1 money ritual for life.
Say we are for a tire pass about 3 days ago. I did here. I just did here. This place when I stop and I just sit down. Somebody they call his brother for her, it's people for her say anybody will give her big money pass, I will vote for.
Imagine anybody will give
you
money.
I swear to my God in heaven, only God now hold my liver for my body that day. Only God now 3 days ago, only God now hold my liver for my body. But the way I gave vex, doesn't like before. Maybe I will do stupid thing with that guy. You understand? So but personally, I can look and say, well, now wait till the boy grow come in, now they continue. So not
now they go now true. Now wait till they come up for your mind with that. Now so yeah. We they tell you now me and you wait there here, we not be politician, but we know what be the best for that country.
I must be a politician now. They create. I don't be I'm who don't deny am again? They were there. They're crazy.
You know what make me and you talk say we no be politician because the eyes when they take look politician now so money matter. We be human being. We say we fear human being. We want best for another human being. That's why we they introduce Omoyele Sowore to now. Omoyele Sowore no be politician, be na human being, na activist, na person who they fight for another.
People that they talk of now Nigeria be the country when I know say politics na business.
No, not business now. No be saying no that.
Nigeria, I never hear any. I deal with a lot of. I go school here. I deal with a lot of people. Even some of their professors they go to the same school with us. Bros, I don't be tell you lie. Politics. I just realize say politics is a work. You just get work for politics. You not be like your official career.
We know they hold our politician accountable for what we vote for. We don't sell our rights.
You want to destroy my political career. Politics is not a career.
We don't sell our rights to them. That's why we know they hold them responsible for what they promise or say they go do for us. You know, before they go say Baba, you know how many things we don't promise saying go do. See the video where they happen currently now, where they just waste human being and they waste our soldier for nothing.
Our soldiers.
Because now they cry when they see that video because they see another woman being.
What will happen yesterday for this call for data? 1 8-story building your collapse in the afternoon.
Imagine.
Workers day side, bros. I watched that video from A to Z before everything come finish. Before the contract they found they want to drop the command, no ambulance, no rescue team.
Imagine.
Even some people go they try to escape come out by themselves. As that video take reach, no rescue team.
Imagine. I say, they watch those soldiers where they kill, they feel bad. Say now people father, now people brother, now people younger brother.
Not be the soldiers. They go take they block us for the street tomorrow.
Now the same thing with that, my brother.
Then those soldiers when they want to block us, so they not go think say not be me and my brother dey for this parade that day go Boko Haram they go die. If he die, what do you want again?
Imagine one mumu just tie head, cover him face, begin they shoot, carry still people gone. Imagine that kind of thing, and then did that bush there. Now politics now, I'm not be saying all that thing. They know where these people did now, because if now where we did, so Europe, no, you not take in France, you not take France 2 days, 1 day, they don't kill that place, they don't destroy those places, finish.
Bros, if I become Nigeria president, in 3 days, Sabisa Forest will become Sabisa City.
Now so now, because they go clear all the bush with it.
I don't for you. I don't want to leave bush for you. Sabisa Forest will become Sabisa City. In 3 days, they go buy the way Putos are great, everything go there inside there. Both helicopter or everything. Destroy everything in Sabisa. Destroy everything. Forget. Let's wipe that place once and for all.
Imagine, I do video, they cause Obasanjo, they yab Obasanjo, say, Baba Yabo na thief, EP. You understand? Say,
why they as they tell us Baba Yabo na thief, they laugh you now because of your occupation.
You understand? I tell her, say now, Baba Yabo na thief, now only big Bara Obansa na EB. You understand? Because now he talk say, you know, go feel endorse article. Now they put article now, he just go meet with him monkey face, with him mumu face, go endorse article immediately for waiting.
Obasanjo is not just a thief. Obasanjo is a liar. He's a criminal. He's a murderer. He's a deceiver. Obasanjo is the worstest human being in Nigeria.
So
there is nothing anybody can say about it. Obasanjo monkey. Obasanjo is the worstest human being in Nigeria.
Obasanjo, if you dey watch this thing now, you push us there where we dey so, but you are the most useless human being. Make you think say you get pikin or you get everybody. Iyabo dey there, Iyabo go get grandchildren. Now no they think of Nigerian future at all.
Bro, you get what me I want to see and come out for this place now, for this place. Personally, this one my personally madness. I just dey tell una so. Anybody when you hear say all these government people want to do meeting for Europe, not be America. If America, it go take me days before I come. Based on number, I have to look for visa 1 or 2 things. I beg, if na around Europe, you know, na let men know. Men don't ready say, if we not beat them for this Europe, our Nigerian people not go see them say, they talk to them. Because they don't put fear for their body for there. I beg, if you not hear anywhere, that mean they talk, won't control me. Anybody where you're here, say that they do meeting. All these government politicians, they come. That they come under our established criminals, they come Europe, come do meeting here. We need to destroy them from here. We need to start to beat them. Understand? These people,
fear no let them. If you then come Europe, as soon as you meet them for help, and then they humble well. If you see, now then they humble pass. If you see,
humble, so why make I don't know you? If I know you, say you be one of those ministers.
I jam Minister of Aviation one time for airport, my brother. If you see the way this guy they talk, now guy man when they enter Europe, because they know say na no man's land with they say anybody feel attack them and nothing they happen. You understand? And they use American passports. I don't send anybody. If I see waiting you be here, I feel fight you, I feel tackle you. I don't mind make I go jail because of where then I go
go jail. If we be legal, you cannot go put you away. You want to put you away, be citizen for jail. I go tackle you. If as soon as I tackle you, then I go to tell the police, say, see what these people they do for my people. Say I get reason to act like that. I'm gonna check my brain. Not be saying this. I do all right. I go tackle you. Thank God, they don't check my own. They don't talk say my own not correct. No need. Every bad Nigerian till the waka 3 years not correct for his side. So I be Nigeria. We don't need to get correct brain without bad leader. So they often know that one. Forget. Every time Nigeria they waka 3 na mad person for his side. Never hear that. And the test statistics that be that one.
You know, for instance, they challenge most Nigerians.
I don't even know anyone to come up for inside that category. For inside market, park, and everything when I follow. I come up for that category of saying, you are Nigeria, you are not correct. It's impossible, you are want to correct. How?
See, most Nigerians, will still talk to some Nigerians with the diaspora, yourself. You understand? Most Nigerians want to the diaspora. Omo Yele show will come to Chicago. You understand? Because of saying that $100 be the entrance. Nobody agree come. Now we will just believe say things go happen for that country, things go better for that country. Now we just go there. You understand? We go there, go meet them, welcome them and do everything. You understand? But yesterday, what they tell you, yesterday, yeah. Some Nigeria actor, will be Yoruba actor, come Chicago. If you see crowd, my brother, if you see crowd, my brother. So now Nigerians, they feel unconcerned about Nigerians with that country. But wow, now not think about old age. Say if you now old for a year, now nothing no then go put una for a year. Some small picking will come begin to abuse una.
Bros,
and nothing
for this country when I did so, make I tell you, for this country when I did so, at least I know the two they come out normally. You understand? I not be that kind of art person like that where they go everywhere. You understand? But at least I see they see people for here. You know what I observe? All those people who don't spend like 20 years for this Europe, who don't spend like 25 years, 30 years, they don't even want to make Nigeria even near better.
Not so.
There was one about last week. Like small thing I remember me a one-man fight. Oh, you understand? Not be more only me. Even boys who they with me, Bible say, man, just give us all that. Maybe we just hold this man, more beat up on street. Which kind of old man be this one? People they discuss how we want to become, how our country want to become good, so that maybe we go back home. You can say, if you come out Buhari for power there, Nigeria, now go time for suffer. My brother, you don't know the question they don't wear. It's a bit talker. It didn't worry you. Because you know why? They want to make that they call them uncle. Maybe they respect them for home. Based on that, they be a breadwinner for home. And people watch, if you watch all of them now, at the end of 6 months, they never send one that go ask.
At all now, anybody they speak for year, now here they chop them down.
No agree now. You know agree, make they send down. No level.
That's so.
So you know the one say me that they respect them for that home, but that's the policy based on like many of them, Nigeria failed them. So it can't put that vexation for their mind. Say, I beg you for this country to do me like this. You don't go better again for life. But
my brother,
don't forget,
my brother, I won't come out. I won't go work. I won't use this media. Where would they swear? Make I use them talk to Nnamdi Kanu. You understand? Nnamdi Kanu, as you they hear me, so if you they hear me, if you they watch me, my brother.
Wait, I beg. Ibo Kwenu. Now here, not like my brother talk so.
I mean they talk. And they use this media support to Nnamdi Kanu because now the same thing where you fight for. Now Omoyele they fight for, but the same way where you take carry am. Now big say that people just take and use to disrespect you. But now if you won't gain the respect and your follower, I know say you get a lot of follower. Well. I beg you, my brother. No be say until Omoyele should reach out to you. If they busy, they look for how we go take job. But reach out to them. Reach out to your follower. Me, you tell them, say, so solution don't come. Opportunity don't come. Not be say na zoo, na place where you come from. Na place. I know why they call am zoo. I go feel call am zoo as well. I go feel call am bad place as well.
Bro, but any name day when you fit Nigeria pass zoo.
Nothing with this Nigeria pass zoo. That's why me I believe say. Nnamdi Kanu, at first I go against you, but now I support you with everything where I get for my life because I believe say you go fit do something for this present situation where they grant now. Not be until Omoyele Sowore contacts you. You understand? I take God beg you for better Nigeria, for the better people of where they support you, for the better people, because those people where they support you, their mind don't change. Then they believe Biafra. But let me tell you something about Biafra. We cannot do it all alone by ourselves. If Nigeria splits today, my brother, and another beginning of sufferness be that. So Nnamdi Kanu, I know anywhere where you did for now. If you did London, if you did Israel, I take God beg you. Tell your supporter, use your power where you get presently now. Use and support this team. Who will just give trial to Nigeria again? I take God beg you, my brother. God bless you and God will always be with you. You are a very strong man, you are a very powerful man, and you will always be a very powerful man and a very strong man because you've gone through those things. But thank God say they don't kill you as they kill MK Abiola. They don't kill you as they kill Ken Sarowa. But now you are a very strong, powerful man. People respect you a lot. But please, use this opportunity where we'll get. We need to get time again. Tell your people where they support you. Say, okay, we'll give Nigeria a trial. I don't say it go day hard, but it's something you can do.
Bros, not verse. I want us bring something out for this Biafra stuff. Because I know they like. They know me. I love Nnamdi Kanu so much to the extent I know that only that is the only way before, you know. I love Nnamdi Kanu so much and I respect him so much. Nnamdi Kanu is one of the people who wake us up. He's one of the people who wake our brain to say, look, Nigeria is not working. You understand? So that's why. Please, I'm just begging, as my brother they beg. If we share Nigeria into 20 places, the problem will share into 20 places as well. To share Nigeria now is not the solution because we don't have a country to share. So first of all, let's build the country before we think of how to share it. If we are going to share something, how to share something good. You don't need to share a rotten animal. So we have to share fresh fish, fresh meat. So please, my people, who know the my Idiji of Biafra indigenous, I don't know, my Biafra people. No matter how we want to go reach now, we will pursue Buhari, pursue Atiku before we go talk of how we want to do our referendum in a beautiful manner way. That's what we just be beg. Just beg that one for now. I beg. Make we try, make we change that Buhari and Atiku first. So that make we just sit down for youth table, talk of better one. So bros, thank you very much.
The question where they ask Atiku be say, waiting in get. After 8 years, where now Obasanjo don't try. What in get for Nigeria presently now? Where you know if you answer that question. So now person will want
Atiku spirit even for me. Say this man they put me the go where I don't want to go. Atiku spirit for me. Say this man they put me the go where I don't want to go.
And another thing, I beg, I take God beg now. You understand? Mokuna just try vote for Moyole Show. I take God beg now. Tell, inform everybody with this platform where they talk of. You understand? See me and this person when they talk like say we brothers. We don't relate. We do everything. Not for or not to know say Nigeria. I be Yoruba man. No. Him na Edo man. I know you see say I don't even know where he come from. But me and him they talk. We they relate like brothers. Would they feel love for each other because of the country, because of our country, Nigeria? You understand? So, Mona, try on a possible best. Vote for change for one time. Vote for change for one time. Let's try it together. Let's build that Nigeria for one time together. You understand?
So, bros, let me beg our Nigeria aspirants, our Nigeria youth aspirants. I will call back this morning. May they quickly join us together. I beg. If anyone they will connect. If anyone they will talk to, make we try, make we join, make they join us together before the end of December, so that we go get strong force to take wipe these people. But it not me say because they want join together, make some people where they sponsor, make they wash out. For a lot of people they will they sponsor as well. Understand? So who knows they get the real genuine mind. The way Omoyele will get out, the way Kingsley Moghalu get out, the way everybody get out, the way Fela Adebayo get out, wanna join us together to pick this country from nonsense.
Kingsley Moghalu, Fela, and the rest of you guys, we are calling on you guys. We are calling, the blood of Nigerians is calling on you guys. Mona think about people who die of recent. Mona think about our soldiers who die. If we not love that country, the way una they take talk and say una love that country. Moghalu and the rest, Mona support this guy. Omoyele Sowore. Mona support him. Even if not Senate, Mona just join hand. Now you know, say politician no be. I mean, politics no be saying now something say now you talk and now so it go be no. We go argue till we can't get the truth. Omoyele Sowore get in one place where say if they talk and say what is what. If not don't say the thing where they talk, it don't make sense. Mona still argue him out with them. Mona still tell them what we go do. Now so politics they be. Now so then they take build something. Now so America they be. Now so then they all the whole country. Then they argue things out. No be say now can't say that guy not out. Omoyele not out. Person where they fight for the truth.
My brother, person called me yesterday. Pastor tell me 3 days ago. If I talk like this morning, make I talk to small pikin. Pastor tell me say make I not they watch Omoyele Sowore. He said me I not they watch the video again. He said me I not they watch at the freeze video. He said all those people they be anti-Christ. That is where my mind. You know, he said that they swear my mind. He said that they tell my mind to become anti-Christ. Now I tell her how value because me. That's my life. I tell her I say the only anti-Christ I know in Nigeria today are the established pastors.
Exactly. Exactly.
Exactly as I tell them, say, the only antichrist I know today is all these already established criminal pastors are the antichrist.
You know, tell and say the word antichrist, you don't hear them since we did your mama belly. 666, we don't hear them since when? The word antichrist, because all the pastors in our business center are open for our head. No be saying our church now they talk about because now they preach with
I surprised 3 days ago. Pastor declared me, say, my son, I don't want to. First of all, who be this way born me automatically? So he said, I be pastor, something son. I don't want to call your name, a popular pastor as well. He say, I don't say I didn't get to call his name more because you know say that government worker I go call his name, bam, because I'm businessman. So I need to still respect his small business. You understand? That's how my life be. I need respect every angle of human being in this town. So I don't want to call his name. I'm a very huge businessman for Nigeria. They tell me say, Holy Spirit said you should not be washing a more election water and that the freeze. All these people they are antichrist because God have a mission for you. I say, oh God even know say the mission where you get for me. I don't they go because my mind white like pass your own. When they be antichrist, you will not the preach word of God. You they collect the money. Now you be antichrist. You will be saying you don't see truth. You know they lead your people to truth. Now you be antichrist.
Brother, that pastor matter where you talk now, who no even raise their topic at all this morning, my brother.
No, I know you not give example. They know me.
Those people
see, at the street person, touch not my anointing, do my prophet no harms. You understand? So me, I get that boundary, but because he tell me say, I want to know my prophet. He said by their step, by their fruit, you shall know them. So if I see say you know they are among of that people when I go know by his step, you know be pastor. If you be pastor of 1 trillion people, to me, you cannot be my pastor.
Make I give you one sample. All Nigeria are pastor.
Oh, you say go and go straight now. Go and go straight now, my guy.
All Nigeria.
You know they see Facebook. You know they see Facebook. 60 years old. Say koro so koro una want kill us. The problem when we get for Nigeria, if we say even the devil when they Nigeria, the pastor plenty pass them.
I don't tell them say if they don't do pastor, then go
all
do
the devil they complain them will not even go get space. Then they complain. Say all these pastors who say they want people they will patrol them for their devil space.
Any pastor will want Nigeria make it good. You understand? All these Adeboye, Emmanuel, all these things. If now want to make Nigeria good, more not tell on people make them vote for more issue over there. Because now don't put the crowd.
If Nigeria good, how they want to get their accord? How they want to get their big money? If everybody don't do it now, everybody do okay now. Everybody don't do. Bros, may I tell you one thing? May I tell you? Sorry, I don't want to go. I beg. I'll just quick drop this issue of pastors. So I beg. But one thing when I want to let everybody understand, we say, if Nigeria get good government, everybody they live according to the way supposed to live. Many people don't go to beg for prayer again.
Now because they not say the thing where they come up won't spoil their business.
Okay. Many people now they pray for because if you go work, you receive 100,000. Before the end of your pikin they pay free school fees. Your pikin they get free education, free health care. Abi, before the end of the month, you know go finish up 30,000 finish. So at the end of the month, you got to save like 20,000. You know, just say you get problem again. You know, come with pastor against a problem day.
For where?
For where? I know that they cause a problem day because I don't have the business.
Now, because their business center will end if they say if their business center will end. That's why then they fear. That's why they tell me you don't follow that they freeze.
Oh boy, see way they this country. They be like say the devil, the man where they open the fridge, so they just open and then forget her.
Forget, my brother. Me, I fear to go out now. Say, I'll just jack up, do everything.
I open my door just now. I see everywhere be like say like this thing. Say I don't enter the room.
Hey, you know what's happening.
Go back home. Make we go our country. Make we go relax.
My brother, now the same thing what I want to tell you, but I say, if anything, may God help us, make sure we enter. You understand? I will just go there, even if I no can't get anything. You understand? I'll just go Nigeria every 6 months when this call won't start for here. I don't run.
Go back. Go relax.
Go relax.
The call will make you talk to small pikin. The call will give you pneumonia. It will give you different fucking thing.
My brother, you don't see anything with them put for deep freezer where they last. I mean, wait, you know they turn to ice block. they can't call what would they do for here. The black say they put us inside fridge every day.
Brother, see 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Be like say na 5 o'clock in the evening.
Well, if I call you in another 1 hour time, if you see the can snow, we go cover everywhere. You go blast it inside deep freezer. Now we call the talker one pastor.
I'll quit log out. It be like say today I don't sit away for line. That's what my life help be sometimes, you know. So
now, brother, we don't make a lot of sense. So we don't convert a lot of souls.
I love my fans. I love this uncle that contribute every time. I love everybody. Please share this video. Send this message to the young aspirants. If you know you are not fighting for yourself, for your self-interest, it's hard time. We have to join hands together and pick our country. If we fail to do that, that is already we are failed to prepare. And when you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail.
Now so.
You understand? So if you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail. So that's just all. So thank you very much, my people. Bro, respect.
Take care, bro.
I better take care, eh? Take care of your job and gather the money. May you send, may you go, may we take our country back.
No, we don't get our country back
by any angle, any way.
Yeah, stay blessed, man. Have a nice day, man. Take care, bro.
Thank you very much, bro. One love.
Yeah.
Sign out. I don't talk about that one finish. Before I sign out, let me quickly say something about my state, because my state is very, very important for me somehow. You understand? Nigeria is important, but my state is more important because I come from there, according to the way they share it now. So my adult people, I thank you all. Everybody bless you now. I beg, if you know say they support this movement, I beg, try support them to your state right now, because our Edo state, they need help for this campaign time. You understand? So I beg, if you dey here, you want support us, you want support Edo state, I beg, try reach out to the coordinators and the chairman. Then they did there. I beg, very important. And for the young aspirant who is running for presidential seat 2019, please try to join together before now till December end day, so that we shall have a good coalition of force, 10 force, to wipe these ugly faces out of those share. Understand? So thank you very much. One love. God bless Nigeria, my country. God bless Edo State, my state. Obali and top there. All the old successful Nigeria youth, all the old brainful Nigeria youth. God bless you guys. God will keep us. Let me invite one person come now before I go now. No, just one now. Merci. Hey, now I go invite my mama for sure. My Rita, mama, I go invite you for sure. Mama, they invite you now, Rita. They invite you. The last person to go. I bet when I tell those youth, if they know say they know they fight for their interest, may they try, may they just join together. I beg, very important. I beg. May they join their power together. In this time, may they support this, take it back. We need to take this country back. That's a good snuggle. We need to take this country back by any means. And then this network, they fucked up. Oh, wow. Mama, I invite you again, Mama. Oh, this network, oh, I don't know what did happen. Not be lie, lazy man. My devil was sharp. Network not good. So I'm logging out, man. I'm chilling out and logging out. That's our room, man. So now do well. God bless everybody. Can I still try it once before I know? This network no agree, Mama. Mama, this network no agree. Time don't reach. So I beg, I just thank you now this morning. God bless everybody this afternoon. Afternoon don't reach. No even they know. See as weather. Me I show now my weather. Me I show now my weather before I go. See weather. Me I show now my weather before I go. See. You see everywhere door. So now after 2, see everywhere door. Ha! Omo, this go keep us today. So make I go like this now. Come on, take care, my people, eh? Today night Sunday. Me I go ready to go church. We like na coffee shop. Na coffee shop now go this morning. Cause this night church today. We need to pray well. This weather cold. So I need to go relax for coffee shop now. Very important. I know where be coffee shop. Coffee shop. Now we go to relax. They enjoy ourselves. Understand so. So now so it be, eh? Thank you all. Thank Nigeria, my country. God bless you guys. One love. One love. One love. One love. One love. Keep on praying for your country. It's important.